If you don't want other people knowing when you're active on Instagram, the good news is you can turn off your active status in just a few taps. To get started, open Instagram and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, and from here scroll down and select Messages and Story Replies. Under the Who Can See That You're Online section, tap Show Activity Status. You'll now see Show Activity Status at the top of the screen with a toggle to the right of it. To hide your active status, simply tap the toggle to switch it off. Once disabled, other people will no longer be able to tell when you're online or when you were last active. However, there's one thing worth keeping in mind. When you turn off your own active status, Instagram also prevents you from seeing other people's active status as well. So if you disable this setting, you'll no longer be able to tell if your friends or other contacts are active either. And that's how to hide your active status on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please consider like and subscribing for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.